red color. Wow, betta fish. Hello, we got a betta fish from a spin. Come on, let's put the betta fish in a fish tank. Wow, look! There is a red egg in the grass. Wow, let's open the egg. Wow! We got two betta fish from the egg. Come on, let's put the betta fish in a fish tank. Blue color. Wow, hermit crab. Hello! We got a hermit crabs from a spin. Wow, there are so many. Come on, let's play with the hermit crab in the ground. Purple color. Wow, rabbit. Hello! We got a rabbit from a spin. Look, the color is white. Come on, let's play with the rabbit in the grass. yellow color. Ducklings. Hello, we got a ducklings from Spain. Come on, let's play with the ducklings in the grass.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Green color. Guinea pig. Hello, we got two guinea pig from Spain. Wow, they are so cute. Come on, let's play with the guinea pig in the grass. Orange color. Gecko. Hello, we got a gecko from Spain. Look, there is another gecko in a sand. Wow! Come on, let's put the gecko in a sand.